Hey guys, this is Tharmi from English with Stories. Without further delay, let's jump into the story. The Blind Girl. In a town, there was a beautiful girl who hated herself because she is blind. She had a boyfriend. She likes him very much because he is always with her, even though she is blind. One day, he asked her, "Shall we get married?" She said that, "When I open my eyes and see this world and you, then I will get married." Hearing this, he returned home with worried. A few weeks later, she tells him in a phone conversation that she has regained her eyesight, and she narrates with many times the joy of seeing the world through her eyes and enjoying it for the first time. Hearing this, he could not contain his happiness. He immediately books a taxi to see her. She is also waiting for him with longing and nervousness that she is going to see him with her own eyes for the first time. The taxi comes and he gets down from the taxi. When she saw him, with a stick in his hand, looking exactly as she had when she was blind, it was as if a thunderbolt had struck her in the head. Silence lingers on the bustling beach. He goes to her and said, "I know you are happy now, so shall we get married now?" She struck for 10 minutes, then she returned from the fantasy world to the real world. She immediately asked to him, "Why didn't you tell me that you are blind?" He was standing there as if expecting a different answer. "You don't have eyesight? You want me even though you know your situation?" As she asked. He returned home with a small smile without saying a word. After some time, a voice message comes, "Just take care of my eyes." That's the voice message. Seeing this, she burst into tears. She called him again. His call was permanently disconnected. So guys, as our circumstances change, so does our mind and perspective. Don't worry about not having it. Don't be arrogant about having it. There is more to this story than just one. Okay, buddies, we will see with our next story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for Get My Stories new notifications. Have a good day.